Hi everyone, I am Rickster E. Aderemos, presenting our research project entitled Exploring the Use of AI as Learning Resources in Academics by JHS. Together with me are my fellow researchers, Roberto Layagi Jr. and Arlita Shon. To start, the research was made because of the following concepts. First, transformative pedagogy that promotes effective transfer of relevant knowledge and desirable values. Second, technology enhanced innovative teaching for learning that produce graduates of social importance. Third is the use of artificial intelligence, and of course the last one is the SDG4, which promotes quality education.
Hi, I'm Arlita Shawn, one of the researchers. Our method consists of the following. The design is a descriptive narrative. The participants are the selected junior high school students by stratified sampling. The instrument used to collect data is survey with Likert scale and open-ended questionnaire. The data was analyzed by descriptive and inferential statistic for quantitative data, while for qualitative data used thematic analysis. Here are the questions that this research project wants to answer. Number one, what is the AI utilization profile of the students, such as age, grade level, sex, and usage? Number two, to what extent in the level of understanding of students in the utilization of AI in academic terms of personalization, accessibility, adaptability, efficiency, critical thinking skills. Number three, is there a significant difference in the level of understanding of the students in the utilization of AI when grouped according to different profiles? Number four, what are the issues in the utilization of AI in academics encountered by the students?
For the results, starting with JHS profile age, most of the respondents are 13 years old and the list of the respondents are 17 years old. In grade level, most respondents are 7th graders, while the list number are 10th graders. In terms of sex, the male respondents are greater than the female respondents. In terms of usage of AI, most students are using it weekly with 51%, while there is 8% of students that never used AI.
Hi, I'm Roberto Lage Jr., one of the researchers. And the level of understanding using AI, in terms of accessibility and adaptability, there is a mean of 3.66 with standard deviation of 1.20, have the highest level of understanding. It is followed by efficiency and critical thinking with a mean of 3.66 and standard deviation of 1.19. Last is the personalization with a mean of 3.41 and a standard deviation of 1.16. In the test of difference for the age in a different level of understanding, we determine that all levels of understanding has no significant difference when compared to their age. Another test of difference is for the grade level, and we also identify that in the level of understanding there is no significant difference when compared with their grade levels. When it comes to sex, the result also has no significant difference when the level of understanding when compared. In the test of difference, when it comes to usage, all level of understanding has significant difference when compared to usage. After testing the difference, we also identify the issues in using AI in academics. The first one that they encounter as their issue are inaccuracy and misinformation, followed by lack of guidance in AI usage. Another one is difficulty in comprehending AI response. Next is over reliance on AI tools. And lastly, the technical and accessibility issue.
After analyzing the data, We believe with these implications. AI as learning resource by students is inevitable. Second, students have high understanding in using AI. And lastly, adjustment in teaching and learning will or should happen. After our findings, here is our recommendations. We use T3 model by Magana. We recommend in translational with area of automation, which is AI guidelines for basic education in the usage for learning resources. For consumption, we recommend subscription to AI tools for learning resources. In transformational, for area of production, we recommend verification tools and process for report. For contribution, we recommend activities or tasks development with integration of AI tools. In transcendent, for the area of inquiry design, we recommend real problem solution task development. And for social entrepreneurship, we recommend dissemination of product and performance with the aid of learning resources.
We conclude this research project with this statement: AI usage is here to stay in the academy. Policies and other concerns should be made by different stakeholders such as administration, faculty, and students. Again, this is the research project entitled Exploring the Use of AI as Learning Resources in Academics by Junior High School by Brixter Adoremos, Roberto Layagi Jr., and yours truly, Arlita Sean. Thank you.